How to fix TikTok login with Facebook problems. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok login with Facebook problem. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here on the login screen, what you can do is you can just go on with the Facebook. So here, if you're trying to sign in on a Facebook or with the Facebook, then you can just tap on continue with Facebook. And here, if you can't log in, then make sure that you are signed in to the correct Facebook account. And even with that, if the problem continues, then you can just update both TikTok and Facebook from the Play Store as well. And now here, with this, you can even also try clearing the TikTok cache by simply going to the settings app. And now here, once you're inside it, you can just scroll down and tap on apps. And after that, you can just tap on manage apps. And now here in this section, you can simply tap on the search bar and simply search for TikTok. And now here, once you found it, you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And now here with this, you can just reopen the TikTok and try logging in again with the Facebook. And that's it. With this, a TikTok Facebook login problem should be solved. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.